What up, YouTube? Today I have two airsoft guns for sale. The first one is a PT-111 pistol. It's a Taurus. It holds 20 BBs. Of course, safety. It cocks really good. Like, holy crap, that was loaded. This gun really cocks fast. 200 FPS. I'm looking for $10 for this. I think I paid $18 for this gun. Next is a 1911 pistol. Holds, I think, 10 BBs. This is 210 FPS. It says 10 more FPS stronger than the PT-111. The only reason why I'm selling this gun because honestly, you guys can see the gap, but when I shoot, this thing comes off. I mean, not comes off, but like it's loose. Okay, guys, just wait for a couple seconds. Okay. See, when I shoot, this thing right here will come off. Well, not come off, but it'll come out a little bit. And then you fix it back up. Yeah. I'll probably sell this gun for $12. I bought it for 21 bucks. And whoever's the first one to buy any of these guns, get a free 2011 firearms catalog made by, I don't know, but this is version 3. Like, I'll show you all that stuff. That's kind of a blur, but yeah. But yeah, this is my stuff I'm selling. Comment and subscribe if you want to buy one of these guns. Just give me an offer. And thank you for watching. Bye.